here is the dashboard for VRx when we first log in. So what the dashboard gives is an overview of your specific environment, and it's unique to each and every customer. So just to give a brief overview, what we have is an insight into the applications that we have running within the environment, the assets within the environment, and the operating systems. So all of these items on the dashboard can all be clicked on, drilled down into more detail. So I'll run through some of the other aspects of the platform in due course. But just staying with the dashboard, we have, as well as the applications, the assets and the operating systems, we also have an overview into the asset risk level so that we can see quickly and easily which assets are at high risk, which assets are at medium risk and which are at low risks. So part and parcel of what we're aiming to do here is to simplify and ensure that your attention and focus is drawn to the assets and the applications that are deemed to be higher risk for you in your particular environment. So we can also see whether the assets are online or offline, as well as seeing the vulnerability trends over time. So we can see the CVEs as they were detected and mitigated, and we can see the trends on a daily basis as to detection, mitigation, and we can see this also on different timescales. So we can look over all times, 6 months, and apply filters as needed. We can also very quickly and easily see what operating system updates we have available, and we can drill down into that and see which operating system updates we have and which application updates. And we also have a view into the vulnerabilities as are active in your environment. So again, this can be clicked on. We can drill down into the active CVEs so that we can see the specific vulnerabilities that have been identified as being active within your environment. So if you're wanting a more traditional perspective to view each individual CVE, we can provide that very quickly and easily. Now, the other area that we have on the dashboard is the application risk map. So this is really designed to, again, draw your attention and draw your focus into what applications are deemed to be the highest risk, which applications should you be focusing on. And what we do is we use contextual information. So we use X tags, which provide context relevant information to generate and to calculate that risk score. So this is unique to Vicaruis, to VRx, and it's something that we use that is also unique to each customer. So the application will appear with different levels of risk in one environment versus another. So we're looking at information such as whether we've got patches available, whether it's a new vulnerability recently discovered, whether it's easy to exploit. And all of these different factors, the contextual information, is all coming together to produce a risk score so that you can understand which applications are the highest level of risk within my environment, so that we can click and drill down into these applications to see what are the high risk applications, what are the medium risk applications. And we can also filter on that, so we can easily see, do we have any patches available? We can see here we have no patches available for high risk, but we do have 2 for the medium risk. So that obviously is a quick, easy, an easy win to mitigate the risk by applying patches to those medium risk applications. So as I say, that can all be easily drilled down into, and we can also apply filtering based on different groups and different collections of assets that I'll describe how we put together the groupings in a little more detail in a separate video. But that's the dashboard overall, as I say, designed to draw your focus and ensure focus is applied to the assets or the applications which are deemed to be the higher risk based on the contextual analysis that we're performing.